Good day, mate.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul.
Good day, fellas. Today we're going to see all the flipping waterfalls. We're going to Barbinder Boulders, and then there's a few other waterfalls around there about an hour away. It's about a 2-hour drive from Cairns, and then we're going to Josephine Falls, is it? Yeah? Got a little nod from Mrs. because she's the one that knows all little names and that. So, enjoy. We're going to do a little road trip now. It's about half an hour from where we are. Enjoy, fellas. Let's flipping go. Right, we just arrived at first spot, Lake Eacham. I've not seen any videos, pictures of this. Betsy's probably seen it because she's watched every flipping possible camping vlog before we even came to Australia, so she's already experienced it all in a way. But yeah, and each, like, they have rest areas everywhere in Australia, flipping it. And for example, they always have like barbecues, little things like that, and toilets and that. Like, these are probably say like every 10 km. 20 km, there's always one.
Not far.
So there's always somewhere you can go for a dump, make some food. Even down like the flipping city centres, they have these barbecue places and ovens where you can cook, so it's crazy.
I can't believe that people are swimming when they know.
Yeah, so I forgot to mention just before, we was in a pharmacy and we were asking about this place and stuff. And it was like, oh yeah, you can't swim in there. And then woman behind goes, yeah, you can. She goes, no, there's crocodiles. She goes, no, it's only a freshie. Voice went then. It's only a freshie.
Freshie.
Because it's fresh water, there's no salt water, them crocodiles are different. They won't chew your flipping leg off. But there is people swimming. Do you think Jim Fella and Betsy are swimming? You must be flipping mad. What was that?
Just a leaf.
Oh, just a leaf. You never know in Australia, you've always got to be ready. You just never know, there might be something. Oh, bloody hell, fellas.
What, that was in the lake then?
Oh, wait, let's check. Oh, see, not a flipping bit of damage. My protein bottle, even can turn it into a flask, smash it on the floor. It's indestructible. Okay, we've just arrived at Mila Waterfall, and this one is supposed to be sensational. So, heading down these little steps, and we'll show you how beautiful it is. Can't wait. And we're matching. Look at us, matching clothes, shorts, and everything. What little weirdos. Look at that beauty behind me. What? Sensational. It's not that flipping cold. Like, once you get in it, like. Right, Babinda. I knew I said it wrong as soon as it left me mouth. Babinda Boulders. Sorry, Betsy. Barbinder Boulders is next. This is a bit like the waterfall. Is it waterfalls or?
I'm not sure.
You don't.
It's just boulders.
It's boulders, but nice boulders, because it's in Australia. So it's not like flipping going to Preston and going to Windermere and looking at the boulders.
Windermere in Preston.
I mean, not Windermere. What's
Lake
it called?
District.
No, near Tickle Trout.
River Ribble.
Yeah, the River Ribble. Right, yeah, but that's where we're going, so...
the boulders.
The boulders, right.
And I'm scared it's going to go dark.
I know.
And I'm going to see all the creepy crawlies. Like that.
There's a butterfly, man.
I hate it. I don't like walking through these areas. It's better than the rainforest though.
Yeah.
That was terrifying.
We walked through a little track in the rainforest near our campsite that we're in. And Beth, I've never seen someone so scatty in my life. The whole time she's like this.
There was spiders' webs everywhere.
And then as
And
soon
I
as
cut myself
she cuts her toe, and
because I was running basically. What?
just doing stuff, don't you? Well, yeah, we're here now anyway. Us blabbing on. We'll show you the fucking boulders. Yes, right, we've arrived at our campsite for tonight. It's a free one, which is next to the Binder boulders, which you just seen. We're about to have this scram that Beth has provided. She does every fucking night. This is why she is the one. Honestly, she is unreal that she can give me this relaxed service. A scram every night. Good, yeah, and that's the main thing. It's not shocking. It's unreal.
Not shocking.
It's
I'm
good.
glad you said that.
Good flipping morning. As Alicia would say, when the lion's hungry, he will eat. Inside joke there. Right, so, got a bit of a scran, get a bit of fuel in. It's about 7:30 in the morning now. We are going to the final little spot, which we didn't do yesterday because it was too late. Josephine Falls. This is where there's supposed to be this like rock that you can slide down into the water. There's no worry for crocs. It's just supposed to be beautiful. So we're at a free campsite right now, which I mentioned yesterday. The one in Gordonvale, which we've been at, that's home to us. Like every time we think about it, every time we see it, it just feels like home. This just doesn't hit the same. Beth's terrified at toilets. There was a huntsman in Gordonvale and she still went toilet. Here, there's been nothing, but she's terrified, so that's telling you something. Just arrived at, it's a 700 metre walk, as you can see on flipping sign. But, just like our luck, like the last flipping first part of this journey, it's now raining.
It's spitting.
It's spitting, but we're in dry season. Why are you raining in Australia? Well, gains. We've got a 700 metre trek now down this way, and then we land at Josephine Falls.
Don't let dogs go fucking anywhere. There's that sign saying no dogs everywhere.
As you can probably hear, it's no longer spitting like Betsy mentioned. It's now flipping, pouring it down. Just as we're so close to the flipping beautiful water slide waterfall, and it's going to be freezing. Bloody hell. Well, we're right, that behind us, where my head is there, is where you slide from. So, are we doing it, Betsy?
No.
What?
You can, it's too cold.
We're doing it, look at slide behind you.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear.
G'day. So, just been in Josephine Falls, and this is the attire, because I'm flipping freezing, fellas. So, got little short skirt and that. And then got the vest. You can wear it however you want it. So you can wear it like this, or you can make it into a little crop. So you can have that. And yeah, see you later.